Jai Hind and good morning to all students. Saraswati Shishukunj Wagwara Borsar English video. Students, this is a revision video of standard 4th subject EVS that you studied, and the chapter's name is chapter number 12, The Valley of Flowers. Now students, let us begin this chapter. The Valley of Flowers is a place where there are flowers everywhere. It is in the state of Uttaranchal. You can see many different colors flowers like red color flowers, yellow color flowers, blue color flowers, and white color flowers. So students, there is a one valley where you can see flowers everywhere. That is why the name given to this valley is the Valley of Flowers. The students, another point that we studied, it was about one design which is called Madhubani design. It is a very old form of folk art. Then students, why this design is called Madhubani? Is because there is a district in Bihar state called Madhubani. Here, during festivals and happy occasions, the walls of the houses and their courtyards are painted with such pictures. These paintings are made out of paste of powdered rice in which color has been mixed. So with the powdered rice they are mixing different types of colors. To make these designs they use indigo color, they use turmeric means yellow color. This type of colors from flowers and trees are used. The paintings show human beings, animals, trees, flowers, birds. So this type of paintings you can see in these Madhuban paintings. Then the next point is about one instruction. Friends, do you see this type of instruction written anywhere? So the instruction is do not pluck flowers. So the answer is this type of instruction is written outside gardens, parks, temples, etc. Then student, there is a one question is there. Do people pluck flowers even when this board is there? So the answer is no. Usually when this board is placed, then people do not pluck flowers. Then another question is, why do you think people do this? Why do you think that people pluck flowers? So they do this as they do not respect the rules. Even though the board is there, some people they don't want to follow rules, and some they are doing it for fun. That is why some people are plucking flowers. Even this board of do not pluck flowers is there. Then student, you also studied how a bird transforms into a flower. Here student, you can see a one picture. In this picture you can see a bird and a flower. So students, you also studied that how a bird transforms or bloom into a flower. So student, what differences do you find between a flower and a bird? So let me give you answer. A bird is smaller than a flower. Birds are actually the very early phase of flower formation. It's the bird that develops into a flower. This is called a bird. So students, this is a difference between a bird and a flower. Next student, how many days a bird takes to transform into a flower? So, a bird takes 4 to 5 days to bloom into a flower. And students, you also learn about the different uses of flowers. Students, let me tell you that flowers are used in different purposes. The first point is flowers are also eaten. So in many states, students, you find that flowers are cooked as vegetables. Cauliflowers and broccoli flower, that are all we are eating as vegetables. In Uttar Pradesh, vegetables are made of kachnar flower. So they are making vegetables out of kachnar flowers. Then in the state of Kerala, vegetables are made out of banana flowers. So in Kerala, the people grow lots of banana. That is why they use banana flower to make vegetables. Then in the Maharashtra state, the pakoras are made out of sarjan flowers. So these are the different types of flower that people use for eating. Then students, some flowers are there. Those flowers are also used in medicines. For example, kedar and rose flowers are used for making medicines. You know that rose water is used as a medicine for the eyes and skin, and also used to mix with sweets and lassis. So this is the use of rose water. So this is how some flowers are even used in medicines. Then the next point is some flowers are used to make colors. Colors are made from flowers like marigold, zinnia, etc. These colors can also be used to dye clothes. Rose, saffron, hibiscus are some of the flowers that are used for making colors. Students, you have studied that from flowers, colors are being made. Another use of the flower is to make itra. Itra means one type of perfume. So, itra is also made from flowers. A small bottle of itra is made from lots and lots of flowers. So, students, where this itra is made? So, the Kanauj district in Uttar Pradesh is famous for making itra. Rose water, kevra water are also prepared from flowers here. So the Kanauj district of Uttar Pradesh is very famous for making itra or perfumes. Then students, another point is that flowers are also used in special occasions or special festivals. Like marriage, you give gift of flowers as bouquet to others. Then in Valentine's Day, elders, especially young people, they give rose to each other. Then in religious ceremonies, the marigold flowers are being used. Then in birthdays, the rose and tulips, this type of flowers are being used. So students, here I have one question. Then why do people buy flowers? So people buy flowers for decoration, for worshipping God and goddesses, and to gift them to others. So students, these are the different uses of flowers that you have studied in this chapter. So students, this is the end of the video. This video you learn about different uses of flowers. Students, before the end of this video, let us discuss the answers of worksheet. This worksheet only I have asked the answers of the questions. So first question is, write 5 uses of flowers. So which are the 5 uses of flowers? So flowers are used in houses for decoration, to make iत्र or perfumes. Flowers are also used for medicines, for making colors, and to show feelings. So students, these are the different uses of flowers. Our next question is, name the flowers from which colors are made. So the colors are made from the flowers like marigold and zinnia. Then next question is, where all do you see pictures of flowers? Where we see different pictures of flowers? So the answer is on clothes, on flower vase, on crockery, on bed sheets, on pillows. So on these different types of things we see a picture of flowers. Then fourth number question is, should we pluck flowers? Why? The answer is no, because it looks more beautiful when it is on plants, and we get seeds from flower to grow new plants. That is why we should not pluck flowers. Then 5 and last number question is, where do flowers grow? So flowers grow on plants, trees, on bushes, on creepers, and some flowers also grow on water. So students, these were the answers of answer the following questions. I hope you have understood it. So students, this is the end of the revision video of chapter number 12, the Valley of Flowers. I hope you have understood all these answers. Thank you.